Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Olivia with Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video I am over the moon excited to share with you how to decorate a designer-inspired Christmas tree using items from the Dollar Tree and a couple of goodies from Walmart. So if you're new, I love to share with you guys how you can make your homes boutique gorgeous on a teeny tiny budget. You do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing home, especially around the holidays when you want to have a beautiful, elegant home, but you don't want to spend a ton of money on Christmas decor. So I'm going to share with you guys some tips and tricks on how to make those dollar store or Walmart items or Dollar General items look really high end. It's really sometimes just about the way you put those items together. So if you guys love to have high-end decor on a budget, like bougie on a budget or fabulous on a budget, you guys are in the right place. And just remember, really Christmas is about just joy in your heart and spending time with loved ones and decorating your house and really just making a cozy space. So focus on the things that are the most important, but it's okay to have a fun and fabulous home as well. Let's go ahead and plug in those glue guns, get out your glitter and paint. Let's have fun crafting and decorating. Oh, yeah. To get started decorating my designer-inspired tree, I'm going to take pieces of a ribbon that I've cut into 4.5-foot strips, and I'm just going to start at the top of my tree. I'm using the evergreen branches, and I'm crossing the branches over on top of the ribbon, and I'm going to wind the ribbon down the tree. I chose wired ribbon, and this ribbon is from Dollar Tree. I chose a sparkling red ribbon and then two different checkerboard pattern ribbon. This ribbon they actually had out during the fall season. If you cannot find it now at the Dollar Tree, you could order it on Amazon, or you could also find it at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to wind it in kind of a cascading waterfall pattern, and you can just kind of pull it in and around the tree. I also want to let you know that this is a 6.5-foot flocked tree from Walmart. So you can see I'm just kind of pulling the little loops out, and I would say my loops are about 10 to 12 inch loops. Now I'm going to start in a different section, and again I'm using 4.5-foot pieces of ribbon that I pre-cut. Now if you have a taller tree, you may want to cut longer pieces of ribbon. Again, I am using wired ribbon, and this ribbon is from the Dollar Tree, so you do not have to break the bank and buy super expensive ribbon to create this designer inspired look. Now again, I'm using 4.5-foot pieces of ribbon, and I'm using 3 ribbon pieces together. Again, I'm kind of cascading them in a waterfall somewhat pattern, and you can tell it looks, I would say, a little bit of a hot mess right now, but bear with me because we're going to make this all come together. So now I'm starting on the other side of my tree, and I'm making it kind of meet up with the little spots that I've already cascaded down one side. So I cascaded down and I went to the left, and then now I'm cascading down and going to the right. So you just kind of want to create a little bit of a crisscross pattern, and it does not have to be perfect because we are going to layer so many beautiful ornaments on. You're not even going to see really the ribbon pattern after you're done. Now I'm using some Dollar Tree poinsettia picks, and I believe I used about 5 to 6 picks, and I'm not cutting them apart. I'm just popping them into the tree, and these are the smaller kind of poinsettia picks. You just pop them into the tree, and it's going to create this beautiful burst of color. So again, you do not have to use high-end designer picks to create a really beautiful tree. Go to Dollar Tree, pick out some beautiful picks, which they really do have some beautiful picks out right now. Now the picks that I chose are just the Dollar Tree poinsettia picks, and they're the ones that have kind of a really pretty, almost a velvet feel. So I used 4 bundles in my tree, and then I'm just pushing some bundles into the top part of the tree. Now comes the favorite part to make a big beautiful bow. So I'm taking the ribbon and I'm measuring from the top of my hand to my elbow to create my bow, and then I'm just going to loop the ribbon over on itself. And for a reference point, if you're new to my channel, this is what I call the Olivia bow. So I'm going to loop the ribbon over on itself a total of 6 times, or 3 times on each side of my bow. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to link a big bow video down below for you guys if you need help making bows. So you can see I'm counting my loops, and again, I want to have 6 loops. Or if you guys only have a certain amount of ribbon, that's okay too. Again, this is all Dollar Tree ribbon. Now, this black and white check ribbon is actually from Hobby Lobby, but Dollar Tree did have that black and white check ribbon. I used so much of it during the fall, though I did end up running out. Now, I'm finding the center of my bow, and I'm going to cut 2 little notches, one on either side of my ribbon. Very, very tiny notches. You don't want to cut too far into your ribbon because your ribbon will fall apart. The notches are important because it'll help your pipe cleaner have something to hold on to. Now, bear with me. I'm going to do some super fun holiday dancing, ribbon dancing, or maybe awkward mom dancing, really, because I'm listening and jamming out to some Van Morrison, or I'm really not quite for sure, but definitely some 70s music while I'm making my ribbons. Okay, so again, I'm just doing the same type pattern here where I'm measuring the ribbon the length of my arm, and I'm going to do some more dancing here, but I'm basically just going to layer these ribbons all together. So again, find your center, make some little notches, and then you're going to use a pipe cleaner to tie this all together. So here we go. We're going to layer this on top of your last little bit of ribbon. And what we're doing is we're going to create a Christmas tree topper. This is what I love to do. I love to create a big bow on top of my trees. And I'm going to make this underneath my poinsettia topper. Okay, so again, I just measured the length of my arm, and this is going to be my last set of ribbon. Now, again, this was from Dollar Tree, and it was the fall ribbon, but you guys could always just use buffalo check plaid ribbon. They have it at Walmart, they have it at Hobby Lobby. Pretty much everywhere has buffalo check plaid ribbon. Even I think Dollar General has it. Okay, so find again your center. You can make the little notch, and then you can just tie it off with a pipe cleaner. So you're just going to layer these all together, and this is going to create that big, beautiful Olivia bow that you're going to use as a tree topper. Have fun with it. Take a deep breath. It doesn't have to be perfect, you guys. I promise you, keep trying. Now, listen, I have been addicted to the Easy Bow Maker. So if you've been using your Easy Bow Maker, you can easily make a Christmas tree topper with the Easy Bow Maker. So go for that as well. Now, here's the fun part. The part that I love is to fluff your bow out. Again, more awkward mom dancing or fun and fabulous dancing for the holidays. Jam out, put on some music, and have fun with this. But really pull out all of your notches in your ribbon, because that is going to fluff your bow. Lots and lots of fluffing. That is a key to your bows. I love big bows, and I cannot lie. You have got to fluff your bow. Pull out all those ribbon loops. That's really going to give your bow that standout wow factor that you really, really want. And then you're just going to take that pipe cleaner and tie your bow on. Now, see, here's what I'm talking about. Even after I fluffed my bow, I'm going to fluff it some more. And there's your big plume on top with your poinsettias. And then you can even go in and add more picks to the top of that. You guys know me, I love to go totally over the top. This is how I do my trees, but you guys do you. Here's the other tip I have for you. These are just ideas for how you might want to do your tree, but use your creative eye, which I know you guys have one, and use the colors that you love. So instead of using this buffalo check plaid, use pinks, use purples, use blues and silvers and champagnes. You don't have to do my colors. You guys can use the same style, but just use your colors. Now, Dollar Tree is also carrying pine cone picks. Who knew? They're really getting high end, you guys. So add some pine cone picks, add some berries. They're carrying these beautiful champagne berries. You can add glam into your farmhouse, which I absolutely love. Now, I'm going in with more Dollar Tree ornaments. I'm telling you guys, I used all Dollar Tree supplies on this tree, minus some Walmart poinsettia picks that I add on the end. So get creative, have fun.
Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting. Christmas is right here. Well, I've got news for you. I know you're waiting.
Now, the other thing I also have to mention when you all are choosing your ornaments, even from Dollar Tree, choose ornaments that are sparkly, that also have some softness, like the little Dollar Tree sweater ornaments, and then also some ornaments that are shiny. So try to choose a variety that will give your eye some interest, and even some handmade ornaments that'll give your tree some sentimental value. So really have fun and go for it, and also have your kiddos pitch in, jam out some Christmas music, and have fun with this.
Oh yeah, the Christmas spirit's coming on. Love is in the air, my heart is filled with peace. It comes back every year just to set my mind at ease. Oh, Christmas is a part of me.
The next thing I want to tell you to keep your eye out for, if you love to do designer inspired looks on a budget, is Dollar Tree is putting out packs of cedar picks. They come in a 6-pack. They are an excellent thing to add to your tree toppers, to your wreaths, especially if you're going to sell beautiful wreaths or garlands, or if you just want to do a designer look for your home like me. Grab some of those. They're definitely going to add some sparkle and shine. The other thing I want you to look for at Walmart are these beautiful poinsettia picks. They're 98 cents. They're putting them out in these farmhouse colors. They also have them in just plain colors, glam, pretty much every color they have. These have been my secret weapon for years and years and years now. And I'll tell you what, I have had the best time decorating this tree. Christmas is my jam. I love decorating. You guys know me, I love decorating, period. But I love decorating for Christmas. I could honestly do a Christmas tree for every single style. Here's another fun thing that Walmart is putting out. They're putting out these cute little curly cute ting things. Now, for some reason, they're $1.48 and their poinsettia little clips are only 98 cents. I don't know why. Maybe the little curly cute things are harder to make, but grab some of those. They just really make a huge difference and a really big impact. So, I just sprinkled a couple of the poinsettias throughout this tree, and it really helped all of this buffalo check plaid colors come together. So truly, this tree was very, very budget friendly. And I can almost guarantee if you guys wanted to try this look, it would be so easy to do, because I know the majority of you all probably already have some of these colors on hand. Now, here's a little trick. Grab a really inexpensive piece of fabric. This is just this checkerboard fabric. It's from Hobby Lobby. I believe it was maybe $6 for about 1.5 yards or 2 yards. This is just some Amazon boxes that I wrapped in some gift wrap. And then these are some Dollar Tree DIYs. Go check out the rest of my I Love Christmas series. You guys, we have done almost 40 Dollar Tree DIYs just for the 2020 season alone. I'm going to link a huge I Love Christmas series playlist down below. It's going to take you through hundreds, and I mean hundreds, of Dollar Tree DIYs and Christmas decorating, fall decorating, so many different ideas for you guys to do on a budget. Listen, I know so many of you guys may be on a budget this season, or you just want to do designer inspired looks and have money left over to spend on your loved ones. So you can make your home fabulous. And I love to share with you guys so many things. I know so many of you guys have been telling me too, you're coming together and decorating with your friends and family, or you're doing projects with your loved ones. So I just want to encourage you guys, have fun with it. Keep up the good work. And crafting is also really good for your mental health. I know it is for me. So check out how cute all of these Dollar Tree ornaments just look, clustered together, layered on top of one another. And then here's some of those little DIY poinsettias we've been doing. You can make poinsettias out of ribbon. So maybe you can't find those poinsettias at Walmart, or maybe you can't get out. Look, you guys can do these and make them out of ribbon. They're so easy to do. So go check out that DIY video. It's one of the last ones I just posted. So you guys, I love you. And as always, hey, comment and let me know, what was your favorite idea in this video that I shared with you guys? Was it the ribbon? Was it the way we used ornaments? Was it some of the ways that I did some of the things around the bottom and the base of the tree? So don't leave that base of your tree empty. Throw some poinsettias under there or some little handmade snowman. I've been sharing with you guys how to make snowmen out of your extra pumpkin decor. Wrap some Amazon boxes. You guys can use, I've been sharing with you guys how to make wrapped packages out of old fabric. So fun. And also those little cute little pillows, you guys, you can order those pillow coverings on Amazon for next to nothing. So have fun with it. Get creative. I can't wait to see what you guys are going to be posting for the holidays on my Facebook group page. You guys have just been so creative through fall, and I love to see what you guys are up to. I'm just really thankful and blessed. It just makes my heart sparkle and shine to see everybody's creativity. And check out those roses. It was mine and my husband, aka Mr. Romantic. It was our anniversary recently. He bought me some roses. It was so sweet. So anyway, I love y'all. I just want to continue to encourage you and to also encourage everybody to continue to leave kind comments on one another's posts. Also on our group page. That's such an uplifting and kind thing to do. I know so many people are afraid to post pictures of their DIY projects, but don't be afraid, because everybody's at a different spot in their creative journey, and everybody's really doing a really nice job of uplifting one another, and that's really also an important process. So maybe you're not there yet of posting a picture, but maybe you want to lift somebody else up. So keep up the good work, and I love y'all, and I'm thankful to have you guys here, and I cannot wait to see what everybody's going to be up to.
Love is in the air, my heart is filled with peace. It comes back every year just to set my mind at ease. Oh, Christmas is a part of me.
I also have to share a new clip of Benji and Tinky playing. Oh my goodness, they're so funny. So thank you guys so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafty decor adventure. I hope you guys got some little nuggets of crafty decor inspiration, and you guys are getting some ideas on how to put together inexpensive decor items and make them look more high-end. I really truly love to bring ideas for you guys on how to make things boutique gorgeous on a budget. I love high-end decor, but I never want to spend a lot of money on things. And I really think if you look at things with an artistic eye, you can really make them fabulous on a budget. If you guys are new, I would love to have you subscribe and be part of this YouTube family. Don't forget to bless me and others with kind comments. You really truly have a voice by blessing others with your kind words on social media. Also, I do have Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook page. I post several DIY videos over there each day, so join me over there, as well as a Facebook group page. We have a fun little community over there with people posting DIY projects and home decor over there. I would love to have you guys over there, and props to everybody that has the courage to share their products. I am just so encouraged by you guys and inspired. Your projects are so amazing. I also have an Instagram page. Pop over there. I share behind the scenes of my little crazy crafty mama life, my kids, my animals, and my hubs. I love y'all to the moon and back. I can't wait for the next video, and until then, have a gorgeous, blessed, fabulous weekend. We'll talk to you very soon. Bye-bye.